how to change your default SMS app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on App, click on Choose Default Apps. After click on Choose Default App, click on SMS app. After click on SMS app, you will see default SMS app is here. If you want to change default SMS app, so apps is showing here. So you will change default SMS app from here. After change default SMS app, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change your default SMS app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.